Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about RC amplifier. Before discussing RC amplifier, let us discuss what is coupling. Coupling is the desirable or undesirable transfer of energy from one media such as metallic wire or an optical fiber to another medium. Coupling is also a transfer of energy, electrical energy from one circuit segment to another, or it is a transfer of energy from one amplifier to another amplifier. Now, what is RC coupling? In RC coupling, we cascade two amplifiers by using capacitor and shunt resistance. Here, shunt resistance is R1 and R2. Construction of two-stage RC coupled amplifier. The two-stage amplifier has two transistors connected in CE configuration and the common power supply VCC is used. The potential divider network R1 and R2 and the resistor RE form a biasing and stabilization network. The emitter bypass capacitor CE offers a low reactance path to the signal. The resistor RL is used as a load impedance. The input capacitor Cin present at the initial stage of the amplifier couples AC signal to the base of transistor. Here the capacitor Cc is the coupling capacitor that connects two stages and prevents DC interference or do not allow DC current between the stages and control the shift of operating point. Now the operation of RC amplifier. When an AC signal is AC input signal is applied to the base of first transistor, it get amplified and appear at the collector load RL, which is then passed through a coupling capacitor CC to the next stage. This becomes the input of the next stage, whose amplified output gain appear across the collector load. Thus, the signal is amplified in the next stage action. The important point that has to be noted here is that the total gain is less than the product of gain of individual stage. This is because when the second stage is made to follow the first stage, the effective load resistance of first stage is reduced due to shunting effect of the input resistance of the second stage. Hence, in multi-stage amplifier, only the gain of last stage remain unchanged. As we consider a two-stage amplifier here, the output phase is same as input because of the phase reversal is done two time by the two-stage CE configured amplified circuit. Now we will discuss the frequency response of RC coupled amplifier. Here this graph shows voltage gain versus frequency graph. At low frequency, at low frequency, the reactance is quite high, and we know that the capacitive reactance is inversely proportional to the frequency. The reactance of input capacitor Cin and the coupling capacitor Cc is so high that only small part of the input signal is allowed. The reactance of emitter bypass capacitor CCE is also very high during low frequency, hence it cannot be shunt the emitter resistance effectively. With all these factors, the voltage gain roll off at low frequency. Now at high frequency, a capacitor behaves as a short circuit. At high frequency, As a result of this, the loading effect of next stage increases, which reduces the voltage gain. Along with this, as the capacitor of emitter diode decreases, it increases the base current of the transistor, due to which the current gain beta reduces. Hence, the voltage gain roll off at high frequency. At mid frequency, the voltage gain of the capacitor is maintained constant. In this range of the frequency, the frequency increases, the reactance of the capacitor Cc decreases, which tends to increase the gain. But this lower capacitance reactive increases the load effect of the next stage, by which this is reduction in gain. Due to these two factors, the gain is mentioned maintained constant. Now advantages of RC amplifier. The frequency of RC amplifier provide constant gain over a wide frequency range, hence most suitable for audio application like radio. The circuit is simple and has low cost because it employs resistor and capacitor which are cheap. It's become more compact with upgrading technology. Disadvantage of RC amplifier. The voltage and the power gain is low because of effective load resistance. They become noisy with age. Due to poor impedance matching, power transfer will be low. Application of RC coupled amplifier. They have excellent audio fidelity over a wide range of frequency. Widely used as a voltage amplifier. Due to poor impedance matching, RC coupled is rarely used in the final stages. Thank you.